I'm Sean, this is Holly, and this is Tirana. We're currently backpacking Europe. We started in Bulgaria, made our way through Greece, and now we're in Albania. In today's video, you're going to see us exploring this wonderful city, as well as seeing us going on a cable car. Well, that's in this video, but later for tomorrow's part. It's a 2-day video of everything you can do in Tirana for 2 days.
Don't expect Sean to say the name right. You probably learned from Reykjavik that you can't say it.
Let's go see the city, guys. So we've made it onto a free walking tour today. We was kind of planning it, but kind of wasn't. I
just seen people standing. I was like, oh, that's where I'm sure they told us that that's where we were to meet. So
yeah, and it was started in about 5 minutes. So we've joined onto the free walking tour. There's quite a few people here. That's gonna be quite good. We haven't really done a walking tour yet, have we? So we're looking forward to that. Now we'll show you what the free walking tour is like.
And you'll get correct facts because it won't be Sean just reading it off of Google.
I don't know, I never read anything off Google, I don't know what you're talking about.
Wikipedia. Anyone think to find out how to say yes and no?
Yeah, he first of all taught us how to speak. It is po.
Po is yes and yo is no.
Po. He took us around all the buildings, explained all the communist part of it. That was quite eye-opening, wasn't it?
Yeah. He gave you like suggestions on museums and stuff, which is good because now we know kind of how to spend if we choose to go to them.
Yeah.
How to spend the rest of the day. Also like tips on how to get about, which was quite good.
Yeah, told us little bits about the bank that we already know about, the free bank, which is the Canadians bank. The one thing that got me was when he was saying that when the Communist Party broke up in 1991, his mum's shop that she was working in got split between 6 of them. And it was just like,
no, but 5 of them had already left the country, so it became hers.
Yeah.
So 5 of them emigrated, so it became her.
Yeah. So
shop.
She just got a shop. Yeah. So everything got privatised. It was just mad that everything was obviously not being communist.
Well, they went from. And his grandfather called everything bananas.
Oh yeah, bananas, because it wasn't like Coca-Cola or bananas.
Coca-Cola, bananas, chewing gum, anything like that before communism ended. So he's like, no, I don't want those bananas, I want the red bananas. He meant a can of Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Saw the mosque.
Catholic church.
Catholic church, then the Orthodox church.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was good.
And he said that after the tour you can go into the mosque, women just have to cover their hair.
Yeah. So I would recommend the tour. We tipped 1,000, which is about
so
7
just
quid.
Under 8 quid.
Just under 8 quid, yeah. But it was well worth that. Again, it was a donation tour, so it's up to you if you wanted to. I don't know what anyone else donated, I don't. Everyone did.
Family gave them like 10, but that was 5 of them or something. So.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really good. Anyway, so we now know the city. We're now going to get something to eat because we're both hungry. So let's go and try and find some food.
We need to eat something else other than gyro, so Dan's going to start commenting.
We just stopped off at Albanian fast food. It was good. 2 beers and chips and Pepsis for 1,000.
9.80, so £7.
7. Yeah, not bad. That was good. Good food. We've kind of seen the city on our walking tour, but we're just going to kind of walk around now and just see a little bit more and just enjoy it. The only problem with the walking tour that was just the same. Was like, what else is there to see? Like, we obviously want to see the there's the bunkers he was talking about, but he was also talking about the
chairlift.
The chairlift, yeah, which we'll do tomorrow, which we've already mentioned. But apart from that, in the city itself, we've kind of completed it. Should we do what the Albanians do and just sit there and have a coffee? We decided that we're going to go have a look at the mall now, so that's what we're going to do. So that's the shopping mall, but we're going to have a look inside here. Apparently there's a market of some sort at the end. Let's have a little look. Cafes and fluffy. That looks pretty cool. Huh? It's very bougie, isn't it? Bougie.
Chinese down with the kids.
For some reason I wasn't allowed to record in the mall. I don't know why. Do you know why? Maybe I was planning to like shoplift the malls by recording. I don't know. But I wasn't allowed to record in there. One of the people said, oh, no camera. So okay, fair enough. But what we did get was 2 cans of lemon juice. Not lemon juice, fizzy lemon. Looks like lemon Fanta again. And a quick dry t-shirt.
Give me the camera a minute. No, Sean had mayonnaise with his lunch. Didn't you, Sean?
Yeah, I had mayonnaise for lunch. Why are we saying that for?
Look at your shorts.
Yeah, no, they're a little bit white. But I just get 1 can of lemon Fanta. Wait a second, come back. We might as well show them the t-shirt as well now. And a quick dry t-shirt. The quick dry t-shirt was $5.90 and 2 cans of this was $1.59. So
that's in like, not in pounds before you confuse people, Sean.
Alright, sorry, cool, because I normally do it in pounds. Yeah, so about £5 for the shirt, less than £5 for the shirt, and about £1 for the drinks. Right, anyway, Holly is tired. She said that I'm tired, I'm gonna rest. So I said, how about a coffee? And she said, yeah, with a bottle of water. So we're gonna go get a coffee and a bottle of water. Even though this is where they say to get coffee from, I think this is where it's going to be very expensive. So we might head more towards our hostel and get coffee there again, because we've got one yesterday just outside the hostel. That was really nice, wasn't it? Cool. So we're going to head slightly back to the hostel now. So say goodbye to this sort of area. Oh, in this video I will show you the hostel and show you around the hostel, and I'll show you our room and stuff. But just wait for that. Guys, and welcome back to another day in Tirana. Yes, we're going to explore the rest of the area today. We're going to go see a cable car and see the incredible views that we've been told about. We're also going to go book a bus to Budva, but again, that'll be more on tomorrow's video for you guys, the travel to Budva, so I'll mention that more on that. But we are also going to see a market today, which is going to be pretty cool. And the other thing that you missed from last night was the fact that we had dinner and went to KFC, and that was nice. So now you're up to date, let's go. So that's just us buying the tickets. You'll see that on tomorrow's video if you're watching that. But we're now heading to the market. It's the new Bazaar market, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, cool. Looking forward to that. That's a bit of a walk now.
I genuinely would put myself in that fight right now.
It is a bit warm, isn't it?
Yeah, but the funny thing is the guy was talking to us about the tickets and he went, yes, it's still winter. I'm like, what?
Well, it's just about 20 degrees today, and yeah. Oh, look, an ice cream machine. That's right. It's that warm out, we decided to get an ice cream. Good call. Just a random ice cream machine on the side of the street. Yeah. 300, just in case. So this is the market. Let's show you around. Oh well, patches. One thing we did find there though was 2 patches. Got it for 400, so that's about £3.70.
Something like that.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's probably our cheapest patches yet. So, finally got a club sandwich. Just at the market still, by the way, just in case you want to know. And I got a hot dog, and it's like chips in it and everything. It's like, that's a pretty cool hot dog. So we just stopped off at the market for some food. Well, wasn't actually at the market, it was just a restaurant just outside the market, and that was 800. I had a hot dog with chips in it, which was pretty good, and tzatziki with cucumbers. I'm not a fan of cucumbers, but I'm starting to like them now. I have it every meal. Holly had a club sandwich, which was okay, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad. Anyway, we were sitting there and we were booking a place for Budva, which is our next destination. It was quite good. We found a hotel for 20 quid a night. There was only one bad review where the hotel manager told them, "You're fat, that's the reason why you broke everything." But apart from that, it looks alright. Hopefully we're not fat and break everything.
It was like, we're not the problem, you are.
Yeah. We are currently walking to the
Annoyingly.
bus to
That's the bus.
So we're currently walking for the bus to the cable car. Holly will tell you how she found out where this bus goes and how she found it. How did you find it, Holly?
On the website, it's a girl, I think it's a girl, it could be a man, Albanian tour guide it's called. I found a lot of stuff on their website.
Yeah.
And it's like basic instruction, you need to look for this building, walk past this building and you'll be going the right way.
Yeah.
It's like look for the blue bus, which is over there.
Over there. Huh. I think they're every 10-20 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's all good. Is that where the bus stop is? Right over there then?
Yeah, I'm pretty certain that's what.
Just between the... Yeah.
It said walk between the clock tower and the Palace of Culture,
yep.
which is this street going towards the Plaza Hotel.
So a couple of things. Oh, actually, this is a perfect place to mention everything. So the city has a lot of places with free Wi-Fi. Just where the bus station is, bus stop is, there's a free charging station. Well, there's cable just down there, which is pretty cool. And then on top of all of this, Credim's Bank is the same people that you can get your free withdrawals from. So there you go, a little bit of information about the area for you there. But this is the bus stop, so if you want to know where it is, look for this. And the clock tower over there. Yeah, so
Hopefully we're going the right way.
This is bus number 11. We just stopped off at a shop and got some water and some snacks.
And Sean decided to pull the camera out halfway up a hill. Standard Sean fashion, because why can't we just be unfit without having it on film?
There you go, it's just there. 5 minutes walk off the bus, or there's a shuttle bus now and again that takes you up the hill. But we went to the shop instead. My idea, of course. Looks like it's €12 returned each. 4,354 metres up, you're on it for 15 minutes. Ooh. It travels at 4.5 metres per second.
Ow!
And we've taken it out already. Marv was also here, by the way, guys, just in case you wanted to know. Oh my god, here we go. Oh. Yeah, stick your phone out here, you can get some good pictures.
Or just don't look down.
Well, why'd you say that? Because I just automatically always look down when you say that.
Just a little bit disconcerting.
Yeah.
My ears just popped.
Yep. So there we go, we made it. It's a very weird right up here. Little cafe, little bits and pieces as well. I wonder how they got everything up here, using the cable cart. Oh, I can see why it's popular up here. It's like a hotel. They've got a chicken coop. They've got a beehive. Mini golf. Like what?
Paraglide.
Paraglide. Is that what we saw the other day, didn't we? Oh, yeah. Did you want to see what we can see, guys? Here you go. Whew. So the area up here doesn't look too big. There's lots of dogs though, so that's a good thing. We like dogs.
We have a dog that's in our hostel.
Yeah, we have a hostel dog. Oh, yeah, she is cute. Oh, that's not. There's a pack. This is the. Was it balcony?
Photo balcony.
Photo balcony.
That's very clever. They've got a machine perfectly angled.
You can, oh, we can print. It's only 100 lek. And I'm already falling for this. 100 lek and it instantly prints. Oh, it's out of function. They would have had my money. They would have had my money. That would have been perfect. Oh, yeah.
However.
But first, let me take a selfie. Holly's got an Instax printer. I've probably mentioned this nearly every single video so far. She posts up on Instagram. But the key, if you do get an Instax printer, is
it darker.
Make it really dark when you print them out, because they come out like nice quality. Where if you make them really light, well, you keep them as they are, they come out really light, like really faded. So it's nice to make them dark. That's 2 iced chocolates, $2.40 each, so $4.80. Somebody's firing a gun. That's what that noise is.
It's an arrow.
Is it an arrow?
A paintball gun.
So this hotel here was just looking up. I was like, oh, I bet that's expensive. £67 a night.
Standard triple room is 90 US. So about 80 quid.
It's not bad. But I guess there's not really too much you can do up here. So unless you plan to hike the mountain, that's probably the only reason you'd do it. One thing I would recommend if you do this,
No, Sean.
What? Oh.
Just hold on, because it's going to click.
Ah!
Oh.
One thing I do recommend if you do want to do this trip is to get snacks on the way up. It is a little bit more expensive up there, so
it's going to be though.
It's going to be, yeah. You just know it's going to be.
Standard tourist attraction.
So that is us, and we're back in the city now, and that's also us for the end of the video. We are going to say bye to Tirana and head off to Budva. You'll see the video of us going to Budva tomorrow, so look out for that, and I'll see you again soon. Oh, by the way, you'll see how much we spent on our food tonight.
Oh,
Bye.
You'll also be really happy because Sean actually can say Budva and he can't say Tirana, the shaving thing.
Alright, see you soon.